Hi, and thank you for allowing us to send you this video. I'm going to be showing you a few tips on how, by having a website, you can um, have a strong online presence, be found on Google, outrank your competition, and get more customers. Now, first things first, since you don't have a website, I have to say that anybody can have a website uh, from little to $0 a month. You can use any of the platforms out there, Wix, Square, any of them. But if it's not done properly, it's going to be a waste of investment and time. Why is that? Because when you create your website, you need to make sure that you add uh, original content to it and the keywords that you want to be found for. That's very important. I'm going to be showing you really quick on how is that important. So, for example, if I do a Google search on cleaning services, Neptune, New Jersey, which I believe is where you base from, you're gonna see here that this is new from Google. It's a sponsor that you paid to be here. Then we have the traditional Google Ads. Also, you pay for each time that somebody clicks on it. If it's not done properly, you can end up wasting money, and it's not guaranteed there's going to be a client. Then we have the map section. This is very important because you can be found here regardless of your location or the location that is being the keywords being targeted to. So it could be cleaning services, Princeton, New Jersey, or Newark, New Jersey, depending on what areas you want to cover. But this is very important. And then we have the organic results, position number one, position number two. You can see there's a big directory, a big directory. There's not too much of strong websites out there, but you do see the same service in the area, and I believe it will be pretty easy to start ranking in these results. Now, 67% of the people that do a Google search, they don't even pass these top three, and then or these top three over here. They don't even go through all the end of the page, or not even to the second and third page. And that's a lot of people. That's a lot of potential new customers that you might be missing out. So for the purpose of this video, I pull out this Marbelli Cleaning Service website. And here's a perfect example on what you have to consider. Make sure it's secure because this is very simple. Whoever manages your domain or end up managing your domain is to make sure that it's secure. This can be a little bit annoying because it can scare people away from your website. Um, like I said, content is priority number one. Make sure that your homepage has, I'm sorry, a lot of content with those keywords that you want to be found for. Again, it has to be original. It has to be well done. Um, and if we look on the back end of their website, we can see that it's pretty weak. It's very easy to outrank because they're only being found for three keywords. They don't have any traffic going on here. That's why they don't even you don't even see in these organic results just these big directories because there's nobody really um, relevant in this search. So again, then you have to consider what backlinks are. Backlinks are other sites that are mentioned in your website that will give you power. So this number over here, domain rating and the URL rating, will increase and it will help you to being found on Google as well. It goes hand to hand with your website's content. Um, and for the purpose of this video again, I'm going to show you really quick. For example, this keyword, NJ Cleaning Services, it has an average of 50 searches a month. If you're going to be running Google Ads, it will cost you $5 each click. But again, if you decide to go for a website and include this keyword correctly placed, there's a lot of chances that these 50 searches can end up into potential clients. And not only that one, I mean, you can see here cleaning services NJ, it has an average of 250 searches a month. Tom's River, 200 searches a month. So this is value information that I believe it will help you deciding if you want to have a website or not, and deciding if you want to have a strong online presence, and of course get more customers. So I don't want to take too much of your time. If you think we can help you out, if you have any questions, even anything that you might want to know, please let us know. Our contact information will be attached to the email, and I hope to hear from you soon. Thank you.